Watch out, man. You don't know the general, the 10-star one, you know. And me show you know, the big man Puff Daddy. Look how big thing are going out there. See the man bodyguard? See the man down there, say, that's some liquor with a white guy there in front of. You see the big man come out. Cause big show there out there Broadway, you know. And you know me a show man, but though, I know me no fuck for tell you no what I go on. You know what I mean? Big man Puff Daddy. Cause big thing I go on boy, I know no cars you no can't see. The whole place shell there. Hotter than hell there. You see what I mean? Yeah. See the man themselves, the big man, Puff Daddy. You hear that? Oh. So this is a lollipop thing me I deal with, right? Yeah man. See the big phantom rose eyes there. You see me? You see what I go on.
Okay, I know.
So, big man, respect. Big man Puff Daddy, you see? Yeah. Yeah, so I'm going to put a new walk on, is it?
Thank you. Thank you so
Some of them are with the big man Diddy, you know, see what I want Jamaica, the big man, the general. Watch, a 10-star way we roll.